Ginger, originating from Southeast Asia, was among the first spices exported to Europe and the Middle East over 2,000 years ago, valued for both its culinary and medicinal uses. Its widespread adoption across various cultures highlights its significance in traditional cuisines and herbal remedies worldwide. Now let's unveil the 12 incredible health benefits of this golden spice. 1. Aids in digestion. Starting off with a bang, ginger is a powerhouse when it comes to aiding digestion. Its compounds stimulate saliva, bile, and gastric enzymes, helping break down and digest food more efficiently. Ever wonder why ginger ale is recommended for a troubled stomach? Now you know. 2. Nausea relief. Whether it's morning sickness or motion sickness, ginger has been shown to be highly effective in alleviating nausea. Its active components, like gingerol, have direct effects on the digestive and central nervous systems, easing those uneasy feelings. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is at the heart of many chronic diseases, and ginger steps in as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Its compounds can inhibit the synthesis of inflammatory molecules, providing relief from conditions like arthritis and muscular pain. 4. Pain reduction. Ginger doesn't stop at inflammation. It also has remarkable pain-reducing capabilities. Studies have shown that consuming ginger can significantly lower muscle pain and soreness, making it a perfect post-workout companion. 5. Boosts immune system. Especially relevant in today's world, ginger boosts the immune system. Its antibacterial and antiviral properties make it a formidable foe against infections, helping you stay healthy and resilient. 6. Lowers blood sugar levels. For those managing diabetes, ginger holds promise in lowering blood sugar levels. Incorporating ginger into your diet can help regulate insulin and glucose levels, contributing to overall diabetes management. 7. Cholesterol lowering. High levels of bad cholesterol are a ticket to heart disease. Ginger can come to the rescue by significantly lowering cholesterol levels, keeping your heart healthy and strong. 8. Cancer prevention. One of the most promising areas of ginger research lies in its potential to prevent cancer. The compound 6-gingerol has been studied for its effects on various types of cancer, showing promise in slowing down the growth of cancer cells. 9. Improves brain function. Ginger not only benefits the body, but also the mind. Its antioxidants and bioactive compounds can inhibit inflammatory responses in the brain, improving brain function and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. 10. Weight loss. Aid, looking to shed some pounds? Ginger might be your new best friend. Its compounds can help enhance calorie burn and reduce feelings of hunger, making it a valuable addition to any weight loss journey. 11. Menstrual pain relief. For many women, the monthly ordeal of menstrual cramps is a dreaded reality, but nature has a soothing balm in the form of ginger. Research suggests that ginger can be as effective as over-the-counter pain medications in easing menstrual discomfort. But how do you use it? Let's brew a simple yet powerful ginger tea. You'll need fresh ginger root, water, honey, and lemon for taste. Start by peeling and slicing a small piece of ginger. Boil it in about 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup, add honey and lemon to taste, and sip your way to relief. This natural remedy is not only effective, but also comforting and warming. 12. Antifungal properties. Ginger's benefits extend even further, boasting potent antifungal properties. It's an effective natural remedy for combating fungal infections, offering a safer alternative to chemical antifungal treatments. Wondering how to harness ginger's antifungal power? Here's a simple method for an external application. For topical use, you can create a ginger paste. Just grate a piece of fresh ginger to extract its juice. Apply this juice directly to the affected area once or twice daily. For an all-over body treatment, add half a cup of freshly grated ginger to a warm bath and soak for 20 minutes. This can help alleviate symptoms of athlete's foot and other fungal infections naturally. Ginger truly is a versatile and powerful spice. Remember, a little bit of this golden root goes a long way in promoting our overall health. Thank you for joining us on this ginger journey at Naphrem TV. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more wellness wisdom. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in our next video.